Snoring, that nighttime sound of music that can turn your sleep into a concert of discordant tunes. It is a very common phenomenon in men. But keep your shoulders part down, Maka, because it also happens in women. This symphonic chaos is due to vibrations caused by the tissues in your throat area, which produce their own rock concerts, thereby disrupting your peaceful dream. Very inconsiderate of them, don't you think? Snoring can be an isolated phenomenon. It can also be a sign of a serious underlying condition and so should not be taken for granted.
It shock you?
Yes.
Sleep position, obesity, nasal congestion, alcohol use, smoking, or even your genetics can contribute to the risk of snoring, producing a symphony-like orchestra where everyone wants to be lead singer.
Jesus!
Well, my dear Obina, the consequences are plenty. Snoring can transform your peaceful bedroom into a battleground of epic proportions and even strain your relationship with your bed partner.
I beg your pardon.
But that is a child's play compared to the fact that it can expose you to the risk of sleep deprivation, which can affect your cognitive abilities, predisposing you to becoming irritable, diabetic, hypertensive, stroke, heart failure, and other health complications. So, dear Bashira, use of earplugs to try and drown out the nocturnal acoustic performance of Balire or sending him away from the room may not be enough. Please encourage him to see a healthcare provider for proper evaluation treatment. Papa Emeka and fellow sleep-deprived comrades, fear not, because there are remedies for your symphonic mayhem, ranging from lifestyle changes, use of sleep aids and other oral appliances, weight reduction if you are overweight, use of medications and surgical procedures in some cases. Very importantly, habitual snoring in children should be investigated as a matter of urgency because it can be an indication of obstructive sleep apnea, which has been linked with developmental and cognitive problems, among other health consequences in children.
Wow.